Hi, I'm Jenny with Cocoa Daisy, and in this video we are unboxing the Christmas kit and the Christmas kit with the sticker bundle. And this is perfect for all of your documenting and journaling this holiday season. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the limited edition Christmas kit, and it comes in our craft limited edition folder. There are so many goodies included in this kit. I can't wait to share them all with you. We have several of our patterned papers that are printed on our lovely cardstock, and it's just the perfect weight. It's sturdy, but it's not too thick. It is also printed somewhat locally to Cocoa Daisy at a facility that uses recycled papers and inks. These papers are also double-sided, so you can see that our front has those sort of cookies on them, and then this side has that plaid. Kind of looks like the boughs of a Christmas tree and some snow. And then we have this lovely little scene, and the back side is the stripes. So those are the patterned papers that are included in the limited edition Christmas kit. And we also have 2 sheets of this incredible vellum. I really genuinely love this. I think it's so beautiful. It has this gold foil. It's so shimmery. I personally will absolutely put this like in between some of the pages to be able to, flip and stuff. It's gorgeous. There is a sheet of mint green puffy alphabet stickers. This kit is packed, so I hope you are ready to see all the things. There is a sheet of Kiss Cut PET stickers. I'm going to push this all up so you can take a look at them. Lots of fun phrases, and then also the little critters and decorations and all of those things. And if you're new to PET stickers, these are wonderful being kiss cut because they're not always kiss cut, and they can be difficult to get off the page, and they are so thin, so they don't add bulk to any of your projects. And that can be important if you're using a bound notebook or if you just don't like bulk added to your pages. Now we also have a sheet of rub-on transfers that are just so sweet. You have, again, the critters, the decorations, the goodies, and then a handful of phrases as well. Next up is these delightful little swirls. They just remind me of blowing snow. Hopefully you can see those. They're white and they've got texture. They're just wonderful. And we have a package of deco cards. Deco cards are such a fun way to add a little bit of decoration to something in kind of an unexpected way, I guess. They're printed on a nice heavyweight cardstock, and I love having them peeking out of pockets or things like that. I think they're great. And look at this, like how cute on this sugar cookies one, how there's the little cookies on there. Anyway, I think it's adorable. All right, so we have the Glitter and Glow. Hot cocoa solves most things. Berry Merry Christmas, unwrapping joy, one little surprise at a time. Crumbs, giggles, and cozy chaos Christmas morning. Merry and bright, jingle all the way. Cozy home cookies, baking hands, and a pinch of love. So those are the deco cards. And we have, okay, so these are little acetate, acrylic, acetate, yeah, little dates. Now these are going to be harder to see, so I'm going to put them on the back of this envelope because they are both small and then it's white, printed on white. So they're just a little bit harder to see. Hopefully you can see those little guys. They're cute and perfect for if you're doing a project that is every day throughout the month. You can add the date. If you're not, add them on the dates that they work for you. They're wonderful. I love the size because they're definitely, you can see them and they're wonderful, but they're not obtrusive, and I think that's great. All right, so then we have some self-adhesive ephemera, and they are just basically stickers. All you have to do is peel off the back and you are ready to stick them on the project. There are so many of them included in here. I don't even know where to begin. Okay, so for example, we have some little ornaments, little peppermint candies, a mouse in a Santa hat, a little shelf with the stockings, Merry Christmas, a Christmas tree wrapped with love, and then there is the tabs, which is wonderful. I love to make a little mini album of the holiday season, and so I think that is super fun. There's also some little labels and tags, which is wonderful for, you guessed it, labeling things, or if you prefer, you can use it for layering your embellishments and things like that. Some candy canes, hanging ornaments. This one says cookies and cheer, a Santa hat, a little sort of ledger page, and then we have a couple more of those tabs, a label, a reindeer wrapped up in lights, Merry Christmas, and then a candy cane. So lots and lots of those die cut stickers or self-adhesive ephemera. We also have some tags. These are cute as well. Again, I'm so excited about this kit. It's really going to be so much fun to use. So this says it's the most wonderful time of the year, and there's obviously a little bit of room for maybe if you wanted to write a name or a date or something, or just using the tag. It's Christmas time, celebrate. And then this one has the little peppermint candies, and this one has a little bit of snow up in the corner, and then also the candy cane. And we have a package of enamel glitter stars. I like that they're blue too. It'll go with all of the blue that is included in this collection. And then we have a stamp set. So if you've watched the other videos, you know that this month I received sample stamp sets, so they don't have the printing on the acetate, but I went ahead and I stamped these all out so that you could see them. They're just wonderful. They're just so usable, right? There's some decorative bits, but then there's also some phrases and things like that. I actually am really loving both the bow and then the little mailbox as well. It just feels so festive in kind of a different way, right? Like, I mean, you expect a tree, you expect, some of those other things, but those just are very, very fun. Now, we also have 2 lengths of different ribbons. So you get this bright pink with red stripes. And then we also have a similar light green with darker green stripes, and a roll of adorable washi tape. So this one says Merry Christmas, and then it has all of the things we've seen, the critters and the gifts and the snowflakes and just all of it. So it is wonderful. So this is the limited edition Christmas kit, and you can purchase this separately, just this kit as it comes, or you can purchase this kit with the sticker kit as well. So we'll go ahead and take a look at the sticker kit next. It's just a wonderful kit that I personally am very excited to use. So we have a sheet of vellum stickers, and you can see there's just lots of different phrases and then also images. Plus we have decorative stickers with phrases at the bottom, no place like home, for the holidays, let's get baked, Santa Claus is coming to town, etc., etc. Then some larger scenes, so cute with the hexagons, and then a sheet of red alphabet stickers. So you can get these stickers with the limited edition Christmas kit. You purchase these are not a subscription, and they are going to be wonderful for recording the Christmas season. So you can take a look at these on our website. You can see closer photos, digital renderings, all of the things to get a better look at everything that's included in this kit.